Knowing our numbers, counting things is easy for us now because we know how to read and write large numbers. For example, number of students in a school. Earlier it was not like this. Many thousand years ago, people knew only small numbers. Gradually they learned how to handle large numbers. Basically, as human beings progressed, there was a need for the development in mathematics, as a result of which mathematics grew further and faster. Numbers play a very important role in our day-to-day life. For example, if you want to know how much is your height, what are the weights of the fruits and vegetables kept in the basket, what is the temperature today, how much marks you scored in a particular subject. In your earlier classes, you have enjoyed learning about numbers. You know how to add, subtract, multiply, and divide these numbers. You also learned about patterns in numbers, sequence, and many interesting facts about these numbers. We'll continue learning some interesting facts in this chapter with a quick recap of what you have learned about these numbers in your previous classes. Comparing numbers. What do you mean by comparing numbers? Means given the numbers, you need to find out which number is the greater number, which number is the smaller number. For example, suppose these numbers are given to you and you need to find out which of these numbers is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number. So how are you going to do that? So for that, you need to find out which number has got the maximum number of digits. The number which has got the maximum number of digits is the greatest number, and the number which has got minimum number of digits is the smallest number. So here this number is of 3 digits, this number is of 4 digits, this is 2 digits, 5 digits and 3 digits. So you can clearly see that this number has got the maximum number of digits. So this number is the greatest number. So let us write down. This is 59,785 is the greatest number, and this number has got the least number of digits. So this is the smallest number. So 18 is the smallest number. Now let us take one more example. These are the numbers given to you. Again the same thing, you have to find out which out of these numbers is the greatest number and which is the smallest number. So we are going to apply the same rule. So here you can see this is 4 digit, this is 5 digit, 3 digit, 4 digit and 3 digit. So you can clearly make out this is the greatest number because this has got maximum number of digits. So let us write down here. This is 89,423 is the greatest number. This number has got 3 digits and this number also has got 3 digits. Now what to do? Now you have to start comparing from the leftmost digit. So in the leftmost digit, that is the hundreds place, this number is 1 and this number is 3. So which one is greater? Obviously 3 is the greater and 1 is the smaller number. That means 100 is the smallest number. So here the smallest number is 100. Let us take one more example. So these are the numbers given to you. Out of these numbers, you need to find out which one is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number. So you can clearly see all these numbers are of 4 digit. Then we have to start comparing from the leftmost digit. This one is in ones place, tens place, hundreds place and thousands place. So in all these numbers, they have got 4 in the thousands place. Then what to do? We have to move on to the next digit, that is the hundreds place. So this number has got 5 in the hundreds place, this has got 8, 3 and 4. So you can clearly make out 8 is the greatest digit of all the digits. So this number is the greatest number. Let us write it down. So 4,892 is the greatest number. Now which one has the smallest digit? This one in the hundreds place. So this number is the smallest number. So 4,370 is the smallest number. Let us see one more example. So these are the numbers given to you. You need to find out which one is the greatest number and which one is the smallest number. So all these numbers, they have got the same number of digits, that is 5 digits. Then what we have to do? We have to start comparing from the leftmost digit. So in the leftmost digit, that is the 10,000s place, all these numbers, they have got the same digit, that is 2. Then when it is same, we have to move on to the next digit, that is here the thousands place. So this number has got 5 in the thousands place. This also has got 5, 5 and 5. So now we have to move on to the next digit, that is the hundreds place. So this has got 2, 2, 2, 2. Again same. Then we have to move on to the next digit, that is the tens place. So this has got 8, 4, 7 and 1. So clearly you can make out this is the greatest number. So let us write down. So 25,286 is the greatest number, and this one is the smallest number, because 1, which is in the tens place, is the smallest of all these digits. So this is the smallest number. Let us write it down. So this is 25,210. How many numbers can you make? Suppose you have these 4 digits. Using these 4 digits, you have to make a 4-digit number. But there is one condition. The condition is that you have to make a 4-digit number without repeating any of these digits. One digit has to be used only one time. So try out making a 4-digit number using these 4 digits before you check out my solution. So let me explain you how I have made a 4-digit number using these 4 digits. So first what I have done, I have written the greatest number first, then I have written 7, 5 and 3. Now I try to fix these 3 places. Can I write anything else here? No, because only 3 is left out and we cannot repeat the digits. So now let me fix these 2 places, 8 and 7. So can I write anything here in this place? Yes, because we have one more possibility of writing 3. So I have written 3 here and 5 here. Is there any other possibility? No. Now what I will do is, I'll just fix this place. So for this place now I can use 5 and 3 as well. So I am first writing 5. So in this place, then I can write it 7 and 3. One more possibility is here, that I can write 3 and 7. So when I fix this, I have got 2 more numbers now. Now instead of 5, I'll write down 3. So when I write down 3, I have written first 7 here and then 5. One more possibility is there, that here I can write 5 and 7. So like this, I am able to frame 6 numbers. Similarly, when I fix 7 here in the thousands place, similarly I was able to make 6 numbers. Again 6 and again 6. So like this, 24 numbers will be formed using these 4 digits following the conditions given to you. Now suppose using these 4 digits, you have to make a greatest number and a smallest number. You know that that number is a greater number which has got the greatest digit in the leftmost place. So what we will do here to write down a greatest number, we will write down the greatest digit first, that is 8, and then we will write down 7, then 5 and then 3. For smallest number, we will do the reverse. So first we will write down 3, then 5, then 7 and then 8. Question. Use the given digits without repetition and make the greatest and the smallest 4 digits number. So what you have to do here, using these 4 digits, you have to make a greatest and a smallest 4 digit number. But you should not repeat these digits. So you know that that number is the greatest number where the leftmost digit is greatest, when the number of digits are same. So like that we will make it. So here out of these digits, 7 is the greatest number, then 5, then 2, then 1. So like that we will write down the greatest number. Let us write down. So the greatest number here is 7,521. For writing down the smallest number, we will just do the reverse. So that is 1257. So the smallest number is 1257. and 57. Now here also you have to frame the greatest and the smallest 4-digit number. So which is the greatest digit out of these? 7, then 5, then 4, then 0. So that is your greatest number. Let us write down. So the greatest number here is 7540. Now you have to write down the smallest digit. So here out of these, 0 is the smallest digit. So if you write like this, 0, 4, 5, 7. So is this a 4-digit number? No. You can clearly see this is a 3-digit number. Then what we should do? First we should write down 4, then 0. That will give you the smallest 4-digit number. Let us write it down. So the smallest 4-digit number is 4057. So this is 4057 is the smallest 4-digit number. Introducing 10,000. To do that, let us see this pattern. 9 is the greatest single digit number. When you add 1 to it, you get 10. 10 is the smallest 2-digit number. 99 is the greatest 2-digit number. When you add 1 to it, you get 100. That is the smallest 3-digit number. 999 is the greatest 3-digit number. When you add 1 to it, you get 1000. That is the smallest 4-digit number. Similarly, when you add 1 to the greatest 4-digit number, that is 9999, you get the smallest 5-digit number, that is 10,000. Following the same pattern, let us introduce 1 lakh. So when you add 1 to the greatest 5-digit number, that is 99,999, you get 1 lakh. Following the same pattern, let us introduce large numbers, that is 10 lakhs and 1 crore. So when you add 1 to the greatest 6-digit number, that is 9,99,999, you get 10 lakhs. That is the smallest 7-digit number. When you add 1 to the greatest 7-digit number, that is 99 lakhs 99,999, you get 1 crore. That is the smallest 8-digit number. Revisiting place value. You have done this quite earlier. So do you remember how to write down the expanded form for a given number? Let us do a quick recap. 78 is a 2-digit number. 7 is in tens place, so 7 into 10 plus 8 is in ones place, so 8 into 1. So this is the expanded form for 78. Now let us take a 3-digit number. So here it is 278. So 2 is in hundreds place, so 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is the expanded form for 278. Now let us take a 4-digit number, that is 5278. So the expanded form for this number is, this is in thousands place, so 5 into 1000 plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So you are introduced to 10,000. So let us extend this idea further for a 5-digit number. So here 45,278 is a 5-digit number. So 4 is in 10,000 place. So 4 into 10,000 plus 5 into 1000, because 5 is in thousands place, plus 2 into 100 plus 7 into 10 plus 8 into 1. So this is the expanded form for this 5-digit number. Following the same pattern, we can write down for 6-digit number, 7-digit number, 8-digit number and so on. Let us take one more example for 6-digit number. So this is the 6-digit number I have taken, which is 2,46,853. So 2 is in lakhs place, so 2 into 1 lakh. 4 is in 10,000 place, so 4 into 10,000 plus 6 is in thousands place, so 6 into 1000. 8 is in hundreds place, so 8 into 100. 5 is in tens place, so 5 into 10. And 3 is in ones place, so plus 3 into 1. So this is how we write the expanded form for the given numbers. Now let us take this question. Arrange the following numbers in ascending order. So you have to arrange these numbers in ascending order. What do you mean by ascending order? Ascending order means arrangement from smallest to greatest. We have something called descending order as well. What is descending order? Descending order means arrangement from greatest to smallest. So here in this question they are asking for ascending order. Ascending order means from smallest to greatest. So you can see this is a 4-digit number, rest all are 5-digit number. So this is the smallest number. Let us write it down. So 1971 is the smallest number. Then greater than this is 45,628. Greater than this is 88,715. And then we have 92,541. So we have arranged these numbers in ascending order. That means from smallest to greatest. Descending order would have been, you should have written like this: 92,541, 88,715, 45,628, and then 1,970. I need it reading and writing large numbers. So if I ask you to read these numbers, few of you will be able to read it very easily. Few of you may find it little difficult and few of you may not be able to read it. So let us discuss one method where everybody is able to read it easily. So first we are going to discuss Indian system of numeration. In this system, we will put commas in the number. But how are you going to place the commas? The first comma we are going to place after 3 digits from the right. So after 3 digits means it will come here. This is after hundreds place. It marks thousands. Then next comma we will place after 2 digits. That is here. This is 5 digits from the right. It is after 10,000. It marks lakh. Then we will place the next comma after 2 digits. That is here. This is after 10 lakhs. This is 7 digits from the right. It marks crore. So how are you going to read this number? This is 5 crore 8 lakhs 1,592. So now let us see, using the same technique, let us place the commas here and read these numbers easily. So first comma we will put it after 3 digits from the right. So that means we will place it here. Then second one after 2 digit, again after 2 digits. So this is 3 crore 32 lakhs 40,781. Let us take one more number. So we have to place the first comma after 3 digits from the right. Then after every 2 digits. Now let us read this number. So this is 7 crore 27 lakhs 5,062. International system of numeration. Here also we will place the commas. We will place the first comma after 3 digits from the right. So 3 digits from the right means we will place it here. So how are we going to read it? We will read it as 53,628. Now let us take one more number. Here also we will place the first comma after 3 digits. Then again after 3 digits. So how are we going to read this? This is 1,286,475. Now let us take this number. Here also we will place the first comma after 3 digits from the right. That means here. Again after 3 digits. In international system, we will place the commas after every 3 digits. Now let us read this number. So this is 49,637,582. Let us take one question. Find the place value of the digits in the number 9,34,806. So what you have to do in this question? You have to find out the place value of each of these digits given in this number. So let us first find out the place value of 6. 6 is in 1's place. So what is the place value of 6? 6 into 1, that is 6. So the place value of 6 is 6. Place value of 0, 0 is in 10's place. So 0 into 10, so this is 0. So the place value of 0 is 0. Place value of 8, 8 is in 100's place. So 8 into 100. So what do you get here? 8 100. Now, place value of 4. 4 is in thousands place. So, the place value of 4 is 4 into 1000. So, what do you get here? 4000. So, the place value of 4 is 4000. Place value of 3. 3 is in 10,000s place. So, the place value of 3 is 3 into 10,000. What do you get here? 30,000. Place value of 9 is in lakhs place. So place value of 9 is 9 into 1 lakh. So 9 into 1 lakh. So what do you get? 9 lakhs. Now let us take this question. Write the smallest 8-digit number having 4 different digits. So here you have to write down smallest 8-digit number. So what are the smallest digits? Let us write it down. So smallest digits are 0, 1, 2 and 3. So these are the 4 smallest digits and all these digits are different. So you have to frame a smallest 8-digit number. So if we start with 0, then it will be a 7-digit number. So we have to start with 1 because 1 is the smallest digit. So we will write down 1. Then next we should write down 0. We want 8 digits. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So this is the smallest 8-digit number. You are using 1, you are using zeros, 2 and 3. So you have used 4 different digits and using which you have made 8-digit smallest number. Now let us take this question. How many 5-digit numbers are there in all? So here you have to find out how many 5-digit numbers are there in total. Before we solve this question, let us simplify this problem a bit. Instead of finding out 5-digit numbers, how many 5-digit numbers are there in all, let us find out how many 2-digit numbers are there in all. So you know that smallest 2-digit number is 10 and the greatest 2-digit number is 99. So 99 minus 10 gives you 89. Does that mean there are 89 2-digit numbers? Let us find out exactly how many are there. So from 11 to 20 we have 10. From 21 to 30 we have 10. 31 to 40, 10. 41 to 50, 10. 51 to 60, 10. 61 to 70, 10. 71 to 80, 10. 81 to 90, 10. 91 to 99, there are 9. So this is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 89. So if you count all this, you get 89. But we did not count 10 in that. That means we have to add plus 1. So how much we get? 90. So here the smallest digit is 10 and the greatest digit is 99. So when we find out the difference of smallest from greatest, we get 89, which is 1 less than the total number of 2-digit numbers. So what we will do? We will add 1 to it. So we get 90. So we are going to use this logic and find out how many 5-digit numbers are there. So what is the greatest 5-digit number? So the greatest 5-digit number is 99,999. And what is the smallest 5-digit number? The smallest 5-digit number is 10,000. So what we did here? We subtracted the smallest from the greatest. So here also we will subtract the smallest from the greatest. So what do you get here? 89,999. So we have to add 1 to it to get the exact number. Similarly, we have to add 1 to this. So when we add 1 to 89,999, what do we get? We get 90,000. So there are 90,000 5-digit numbers in all.